Sure. Here's a simplified lesson on numbers in the Arabic language with some examples. 1. Numbers from 1 to 10. Wahid, 1. Ithnan, 2. Thalatha, 3. Arba, 4. Kamsa, 5. Sitta, 6. Sabe, 7. Thamaniya, 8. Tizay, 9. Ashara, 10. 2. Numbers from 11 to 19. Ahad Ashar, 11. Ithnata Ashar, 12. Thalathat Ashar, 13. Arbata Ashar, 14. Kamsata Ashar, 15. Satata Ashar, 16. Sabata Ashar, 17. Thamaniyata Ashar, 18. Tizata Ashar, 19. 3. Tens. Ishran, 20. Thalathan, 30. Arban, 40. Kamsan, 50. Sitan, 60. Saban, 70. Thamanin, 80. Tizan, 90. 4. Hundreds. Mi'e, 100. Mithnan, 200. Thalath, Mi'at, 300. Arba Mi'at, 400. Kams Mi'at, 500. Sit Mi'at, 600. Sab Mi'at, 700. Thaman Mi'at, 800. Tiz Mi'at, 900. 5. Thousands. Alf, 1,000. Alfin, 2,000. Thalath Alf, 3,000. Arba Alf, 4,000. Kams Alf, 5,000. Ashara Alf, 10,000. Mi'e Alf, 100,000. Here are some examples. I have 3 apples. There are 40 students in the classroom. I bought 100 games. I have 10,000 reals. I hope this example is helpful to you. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask.